lost, you made up your mind. Pretending that nothing has changed. Time is my only escape. I know that I lost you that night. I know that you've already left me. Anger won't bother me now. There's no one to blame for your love. In the sweet despair, a broken heart's lying down. I won't hurry, dear. I'm breathing as long as you're around.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Robert here. Hope you guys are having a great day. Well, yesterday we were over in Poipu celebrating my nephew's first birthday at one of the awesome resorts. And Jessie and I decided to go over to the beach area, well, rocky coastline more like, to enjoy the sunset. And I must say, guys, it was a spectacular sunset, as always. That vantage point there, you could clearly see the sun go down. So it was nice. It was nice. I flew the drone. So, oh, also, I went on my electric skateboard. I was planning on going on my electric skateboard and ride while the sun was going down. But I wanted to fly the drone also, so that would be, I'll try and do that one of these days. You know, GoPro in hand and the drone following me. Too bad Jess doesn't know how to either fly the drone or go on the electric skateboard. That would be nice. I wanted to have her practice flying the drone using my older drones, but we'll see how that goes. She said yes, so we'll see. But she's not flying the new drone. No way. Alright, guys, here it is, guys. Hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out. Jollibee action. Look at that. Holy moly. Look at that. Brother, you gotta learn how to cook. Yeah? Look at that. Holy camole. Where'd you learn how to make palabok like that? Holy moly. Look at that. You are good. Holy, what are you guys? Is this a gaming convention over here? Okay, let's see here. Oh my god, this is huge over here, Rodney. Oh Lord. Whoa. What is this boy? What is this over here? It's a closet. Holy camole. Brother, you gotta learn how to cook. You know? Holy camole. The only thing I can do is boil egg from this thing. Look at that. That's the only thing I can do. Boil egg. What about you, Jeff?